Tired of cumbersome vacuums that leave you breathless? Meet the Eureka RapidClean Pro, the cordless stick vacuum that redefines effortless cleaning. This lightweight marvel boasts a powerful 250W brushless motor, giving you 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning power to tackle your entire home. Its 5-stage filtration system traps even the tiniest dust particles, keeping your air clean and healthy. But that's not all. The RapidClean Pro features an ingenious 180-degree rotating brush head with LED headlights, allowing you to easily clean under furniture and in hard-to-reach spots. Plus, convenient attachments for upholstery and crevices make cleaning a breeze on all surfaces: hard floors, carpets, even pet hair. And the Easy Rest feature lets you take a quick break without putting the vacuum down awkwardly. Switch effortlessly between 3 power modes with a simple fingertip control. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to a cleaner, brighter home. Ready to experience the future of cleaning? Visit our product page now and order your Eureka RapidClean Pro.